Good morning, kids. Welcome back to your computer class once again. Today we are going to continue chapter 2. Name of the chapter is Role of Computers part 2. Last day we have learned role of computers in schools, homes and offices. Today we are going to learn the role of computers in hospitals, banks, hotels, shops and malls, airports and railway stations, and research. So children, open your book and follow me. So what is the role of computers in hospitals? Treating and keeping the records of patients, doing medical tests and operations, preparing health reports and identifying diseases. So children, you must have heard about terms like blood tests, X-ray reports and many other things which are possible only because of computers. These are done with the help of computers. Now in banks, depositing and withdrawing money using ATMs, there is also a computer inside the ATMs, and you must have visited ATMs and banks with your parents. So you have seen many computers there which are used to deposit and withdraw money. Storing details of customers' account, maintaining record of money is also done with the help of computers. Now role of computers in hotels. You must have noticed that when we go for a tour and we stay in hotels, there is a person who sits in front of the computer in the reception who keeps the record of the guests. Okay, so computers are used for storing details of guests, for booking rooms, keeping the record of rooms, and also when you check out of the hotel, it also helps in preparing bills. Now shops and malls. Now this is something very familiar with you all. When you go to shops and malls for shopping, you have seen that there are people who sits in front of the computer and prepares the bills. Computers are also used to maintain the record and detail of the items that we buy. Now in airports and railway stations, computers are used for booking or cancelling tickets, keeping the record of passengers, giving information about the arrival and departure timings of flights and trains, checking luggage at the security counter, especially at the airport. Now role of computers for research. There are certain group of people who use computers to invent something or to study about a special topic. Studying more about science, inventing new machines, forecasting weather condition, searching more information about space, these are all done with the help of computers. Dear children, few days back we have faced a severe cyclone, but the prior intimation was given to us from the weather department, and this was possible only because of computers. So computers are playing a very important role in our daily lives. Do you agree with me, children? Now I will advise you to read the chapter loudly. Next day I will explain you the next page. Till then, have a nice day and thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.